What is going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Now, first things off, Merry Christmas to you all, and I hope you had a good Christmas, and I hope New Year's is just as good. And let's just get to the topic of the video now that we have that out of the way. Unboxing of the MX Master 3 from Logitech. Now, I actually got this for a very good deal. This is normally 200 New Zealand, ended up getting it for 58. So this is a deal right here. This is one of the best mice, if not the best mouse, that Logitech sells. So if we have a look at the back here, we can see, here it says here, master every project with a series of products that revolutionize your process and get you focused and in your flow. That is signifying the MX series from Logitech. Up here, it says you can use this on Windows, Mac, and Linux. A couple of the other things here: comfort and support, speed up your workflow, flow cross, computer control, and precise tracking on any surface. This does have a 4000 dpi sensor, and it also has a mag speed magnetic scroll wheel, so that should be interesting. Alright, so we'll just bring you down, and let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so you should be able to see there it says MX Logitech, so just zoom you out a bit. And let's open it up, and there it is. So we've got something at the top here, if I can get this off at all, which could be a problem. Yeah, this could actually be a problem. Okay, we'll get to that in a second. So here, oh, there you go. Here, you've got the mouse, so we'll just put you to the side for now. And here we've got the little wireless receiver for the mouse. So if you don't want to use Bluetooth, you can use this guy here. And anything else underneath. Oh, this is going to be your paperwork and USB-C cable, so we don't really need to look at that. And I'm not entirely sure what's up here, if there is anything. Might not be. I don't see anything. Oh, I have access to it. Oh, nothing there at all. Brilliant. So I just ripped apart that box for nothing. Hey. Okay, so move that out of the way, move you out of the way, and here is the Logitech MX Master. So let's do the comfort test. Oh, this comfort, it's brilliant how comfortable this is. So obviously, we just have a look around on the mouse. Obviously, you got your left and right click, a programmable button there. I'm pretty sure that defaults to DPI. Horizontal scroll wheel, a back and forward button, and you've also got in the grip here a button, so when you're like this, you can just press that down for whatever function you want. And let's test this scroll wheel. Ooh. Ooh, okay, that feels very, very nice. So on the back here, so we've got a little bit of instructions. So USB, Bluetooth, pretty straightforward. Ooh, satisfying sound. You'll have to see it. Okay. And there it is. So you can switch between your different devices with this button at the bottom. On and off switch here. And that is the MX Master and a little dongle to go along with it. So that's going to be it for today's unboxing video. If you guys did enjoy this, remember to hit that thumbs up button or subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Catch you guys later. Peace out.